The last time I needed to get new tires on my Triumph, I just went to the dealership and I said I needed new tires, and I asked them for a recommendation, and they installed the Bridgestone Battlax BT 46Fs. On a recent ride I was doing with my buddy Bruce up in the Olympic Peninsula, Bruce commented that my tires looked fairly bald. I do think that the rear tire on the motorcycle is fairly bald. I was never 100% happy with the performance of these Battlax tires. The front wheel especially never really gripped the curves as well as I would like it to. And, you know, this is the Pacific Northwest, so wet conditions, it never seemed to handle wet conditions as well as I would have liked it to. You know, I would normally take the bike in for its yearly service in January. It is now middle of September. So, and I know we've got some wet months ahead. So given the condition of the rain groove here, would you guys take the bike in sooner and get new tires put on, or would you just wait and do it at your yearly service? Please leave a comment if you have an opinion. Also, what tire would you put on your 2020 Triumph Bonneville T120?